Struggle hii ya kuliberate nchi yetu properly and to isolate viongozi ambao wanaongea uongo na to make the country believe kwamba what they are saying is true. First of all, mimi ni mwana diplomasia. You can't literally, because there's such a thing as equality of state. Hata kama nchi yako ni maskini, you cannot compare your country to another one. That is serious breach of protocol. I'm quite sure watu wa Singapore are themselves embarrassed. What William Ruto should have started by saying, ni yale Kibaki tulipanga na yeye on Vision 2030. Aongei hayo, hata katika issue zao ya bottom up, sijui hustler, because this thing about Singapore is a diversionary tactic, so that Kenyans can forget the problem we are currently experiencing in terms of leadership, in terms of corruption, in terms of misuse of people's rights. This is why speaking in Kipipiri today, I feel honored. Because hawa watu hawezi kukubali watoto wao waendelee kuuawa. Bwana Yesu alimwaga damu. And we celebrate him all the time.